We are Shane and Anne, and this is our van Fergus. We have been converting it over the last year and now it looks like this. We decided to explore Europe and we are making our way west along the coast of Spain to the Portuguese border, getting lost in narrow country roads, exploring stunning little towns and tasting the local cuisine. Subscribe to join us in our adventure. This is our road trip through Asturias. Our first stop is this beautiful beach called Playa la Franca, which is known for its caves. Something that makes this beach extra special is that when you come when it's low tide, like it is right now, you can walk to another beach called Playa de 𝗪𝗏𝗧, which is only accessible when there's low tide. So I thought the tide was lower. We're pushing it. The beach is over there, but the tide's coming up. So this here behind me is Playa de 𝗪𝗏𝗧. This is a secluded beach that can only be accessed from over there. And we better get going because tide is going up. We are making our way into the cave. The only problem is, well, no, it's not as deep. I thought it was gonna be deeper. That's not too bad. Uh-oh. Me thinking it wasn't too bad! I run around and I find shade like that. This beach is so good. Like, if you are around here, definitely come. Look at this cave. It is so cool. No exit over there, so I think this is the only one. It's better than an arrow. Look at it. So is an arrow.
We're here in this wee place called Llanes and we're just exploring the streets now this morning, and every corner you take it gives you a breathtaking view of something else. This city is really incredible and we highly recommend coming to check it out.
Definitely.
So we just left Llanes and we're heading to a wee beach now. I think it's the funniest beach in all of Spain. It's beach of 𝗙𝗏𝗄, so let's go and see what this beach is like.
We were coming down this road on the way to Ribadesella and we came across this wee village which is abandoned, and it looks so good. The only problem is that you can't just get in, it's closed. And there's here a phone number and an email to contact them, and you can only come here the first Friday of every month at either 10, 11, 12 or 1. So it's very hard to get in. Since we can't get in, Shane's gonna fly the drone so we can have a closer look. So we've made it to our next stop in the trip. We are in Ribadesella, which is a small coastal town. We saw this little pastry that looked so nice, and they have like so many things made out of cakes that doesn't look like it. Like they had shoes, scissors, random stuff, and obviously
we got some croissants, cheesecakes.
So we've got to our car park for tonight and we are cleaning up the van because after a week it's pretty dirty. This is a park up for tonight. There's loads of campers. I haven't counted them, but so there'll be like over 50. It feels super safe because you're surrounded by other people. We found this place in Park for Night, and I don't know, it's very good. It even has services there.
So we've left our park up for tonight in Ribadesella and now we're heading to a wee town called Lastres. Last night was a rough enough night. There was a huge thunderstorm, so the van was lighting up every couple of minutes and the thunder was crazy loud. Right now we are just exploring the streets of Lastres, and this town is such a beautiful little town. It's filled with these cobblestone roads and these winding hills, and it's one of the nicest towns in Spain. highly recommend come visiting it. It's like the Spanish Amalfi coast and very, very underrated. We made it to Gijón and we parked just outside the football stadium where it's free parking. It was very handy. If you do come to Gijón, you can park there for free. And then we just left the van and we went for this walk and we came across this park, and right behind us is like this open zoo, and it's free for anybody to walk around, and there's chickens, birds, pheasants, emus, you name it, it has it. So if you're coming to Gijón, make sure to check it out. He did me that time.
Oh my god.
So this is my friend Joseph. He's after biting my finger.
Any words for Joseph?
Yeah.
He literally flew back.
So we just went, got ice cream in this incredible little ice cream shop here in Gijón.
𝗪𝗏𝗟𝗟𝗏.
I got Snickers and Oreo, and I got Kinder Bueno and Oreo. Honestly, the best ice cream ever. So this ice cream place actually won the best ice cream in Spain in 2019, so we had to go give it a try. We made it to our park up for tonight in Gijón. It's just outside the city, about 4 or 5 minutes from the football stadium. But look, he's parked beside us. Is this red T25, which is Fergus's long lost cousin from France. So super cool wee place that we parked up in tonight. There's actually 3 T25s here, but there's so many other different types of camper vans, and it's such a nice place to stay. Right over there there's a toilet and everything, so highly recommend this place. We'll leave a pin drop down below. We find all these places on Park for Night, so do check them out if you are in this area.
Outside our park up for the night, there's this beautiful park, so we're just going for a wee walk before we have dinner by the coast of Gijón.
Such a nice city. Goes on trying to find what time to serve steak at. It's 20 past 11. They're little breads with chorizo inside them. What do you think? Came up to one of the viewing points here in Cudillero, and right behind us you can see the whole town for all its glory. And we're just right above the port here right now. And now we're going to go get some lunch in 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪. So we got this classic dish here in Asturias. It's huge. So we can't finish our dinner. It's huge. So that's it, guys. That's our Asturias vlog over. We're after crossing over from Asturias into Galicia, so it's now time to explore Galicia. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Bye!